All right, Ryan, this is one of those days, beautiful to be outside, but the minute you open up the car, you're like, ooh, this warmed up fast.
I had the same thought, but I actually usually would be so inclined to put the AC on full blast. I just rolled down the windows.
Give it 30 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah, even though it's warm, at least it's not that humid.
Exactly.
So,
That helps.
it's going to be interesting to see how many showers and storms we get later this week. My hunch is the places that need them most, like the mid-coast, probably don't get much.
It's a bummer.
It's just the way it kind of plays out in the summertime. It's tough to get storms to that part of the coast. And I've heard from a lot of you who are like, we didn't get as much as we wanted. But yeah, it's going to be a hot stretch coming up. So, water conservation, if that's something that in your area you think you need to do, not a bad idea. Tomorrow, still a lot of sunshine. It's probably not as comfortable, even though it was warm today, the humidity levels tomorrow, because it will be turning stickier as the day goes along. And then it's hot and humid for both Thursday and Friday, mainly dry. There could be a thunderstorm to the west on Thursday, mainly in New Hampshire, and a few around on Friday. But of the next several days, I think on Saturday we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Not a guarantee everybody gets one, but that's probably when there will be more of them out there. Just an amazing visible satellite view today. This is over the last 6 hours. The only clouds you really see up here in the county, and sure, there were a few little small ones elsewhere, but they just didn't last all that long. 86 in Bangor, Portland and Sanford, Freiburg at 88. We're at 77 in Rangeley and Greenville. Again, the dew points are really, really respectable for the time of year. 48 right now in Bangor, so the air is super dry. That obviously begins to change starting tomorrow. Dew points creep above 60, so becoming stickier through the day. And tomorrow night into Thursday, it does look downright humid with dew points in the mid to upper 60s. And then Friday, Saturday is probably the real uncomfortable stuff with dew points at times over 70. And not much relief on Sunday. Maybe it goes down some, but humid straight through and into the weekend. So this area of high pressure bringing us the comfortable stuff now. This will weaken, and then the Bermuda high to our south is what will pump in the heat and humidity for the rest of the week. Tonight, I know it's warm now, but you can probably leave the windows open and give the AC a break later tonight if you want to. Lows will be in the upper 50s to lower 60s. A mainly sunny sky tomorrow. We'll be warming up quickly through the morning, and there will be some mid and high level clouds that filter with the sunshine at about the southern half of the state tomorrow while it's bright and sunny up north. Not too much wind until the afternoon when we just kick in a light south to southwest breeze that'll act as kind of a muggy sea breeze at the coastline. But farther away from the coast where you don't really have that ocean influence, it's going to be hot in the county tomorrow, up around 90, 88 from Bangor down to Lewiston, Freiburg at 89, 88 in Sanford. And depending on when that sea breeze kicks in, it could be hotter than 84 in Portland, but the temps probably slide slightly in the afternoon. So this ridge of high pressure is what's going to control our weather through the weekend. There is some weakening maybe to this ridge on Saturday, and that's what will allow a better chance for showers and storms to pop up. But I just don't see much widespread rain in this forecast. We're dry tomorrow. There's just a small chance we see a shower or thunderstorm on Thursday. Isolated storms Friday and Sunday, and perhaps a few more around on Saturday. We'll call it scattered storms on Saturday afternoon. For tomorrow, seas 2 to 3 feet, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Wanted to show you the water temperatures as well. 50s off the down east coast, Casco Bay at 63, and the update from the Weather Service has both Sebago and Moosehead in the 70s right now. So take a look at the 7-day forecast. Mainly sunny tomorrow, just some mid and high level clouds. Hottest weather will be farther inland and north. Hotter and more humid on Thursday, and you can see the overnight lows come up too, upper 60s to around 70 Friday and Saturday. That's because of the high humidity that we'll have around. If you have weekend plans and you see those storm chances, I think Saturday afternoon, it's a good idea to have a plan B, and maybe for Sunday too, but it's not like those are all-day washouts. It would be summertime pop-up stuff that we see.
Sounds typical for August.
What you'd expect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.